Single national curriculum, subject-wise introduction and training details. It is all about one nation, one curriculum. My name is Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. Our system of education for all in terms of curriculum, medium of instructions, and a common platform of assessment, so that all children have a fair and equal opportunity to receive a high quality education. A single national curriculum is a step in that direction. The development of SNC is driven by the following key considerations: Islamic teaching, vision of Qaid-e-Azam, constitutional framework, national education policy. Apart from these, outcome-based approach, respect and appreciation of different cultures and religions in the local and global context. Development of 21st century skills including analytical, critical and creative thinking. Use of ICT is also included. Phases of single national curriculum. SNC is being developed in three phases. Phase 1, grade pre to 5 in March 21, which is going to start now August 21, 6 to 8 March 22, and 9 to 12 March 23. SNC has 8 subjects like early childhood care and education for pre to 1, general knowledge for grade 1 to grade 3, whereas English, Math, Urdu, Islamiyat, religious education for grade 1 to 5, general science and social studies for class 4 to 5. Early childhood care and education, ECCE, grade pre to grade 1. This curriculum has been revised keeping in view the local culture. Basic learning areas include personal and social development, language and literacy, basic math concepts, physical development, health, hygiene and safety. Holistic development of a child through the emphasis on knowledge, skills and positive attitude. Personality development through the practice of patience, tolerance, respect the diversity of gender and religion. General knowledge for grade 1 to grade 3. It includes general science and social studies. Integration of basic concepts of science and social studies to serve as a bridge between grade pre-1 to grade 4. Fosters lifelong learning through the development of inquiry and independent learning skills. Life skills including child protection. It also includes activities for a student to improve learning. English grade 1 to grade 5. English to be taught as a language rather than subject. Higher focus on the communicative competence of the language, listening and speaking. Many new themes like gender equality, diversity of cultures, personal safety, health and hygiene. Urdu grade 1 to grade 5. Focus on development of language skills, speech and creative writing. Integration of themes like patriotism and citizenship. Creation of links between language learning and other subjects. Promotion of diversity of culture and language, especially regional languages of Pakistan. Understanding and application of critical media literacy. Islamiyat grade 1 to 5. Islamiyat is now a separate subject from grade 1 onward. Outcome-based and activity-based curriculum from passive to active learning. Compulsory teaching of the Holy Quran. In addition to Nazra Quran and Hifz of Surah, a framework to Hifz Ahadith. Husn Mamulat और माशरत and Islami तालीमात और दौर हाजिर के तकाजे also included. Math grade 1 to grade 5. Gradual progression in teaching approach from grade 1 to 5, concrete, pictorial and abstract. Focus on developing a solid conceptual foundation based on logical reasoning and independent learning. Emphasize on linking maths with real life situations through examples. Several suggested activities for each content area to promote learning. Integration of ICT through web links and student-based tasks. Alignment with trends in international mathematics and science study for the best teaching and assessment practice. General Science grade 4 to grade 5. Realignment because of the latest global trends and practice in science education. Addition of technology-based content and separate chapters. Integration of themes such as bioethics, scientific responsibilities, and care for the environment and all living beings. Promotion of inquiry-based learning. Integration of ICT into curriculum through web links and project work. Integration of STEAM as a cross-cutting standard. Social Studies grade 4 to grade 5. Organization of the curriculum in 6 standards, including citizenship, history, government, economics, culture, and geography. Inclusion of national, global, and digital citizenship education, including rights and responsibility. New theme includes local government, civilization, agriculture, anti-corruption. Focus on democracy and importance of rule of law. Integration of peaceful coexistence, acceptance, respect, and appreciation of diversity. SNC curriculum. The national curriculum, by definition, is aimed at providing general guidelines, standards, and framework of concepts and themes to be studied, while accommodating a variety of approaches to develop and deliver content in schools. Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board has a web page on SNC. When you click on this anyone, you just get the book title page image. Training will start this month uh, by Quaid-e-Azam Academy for Educational Development. If you visit the website, you can see over there two options if you are a public school teacher or a private school teacher. The public school teacher already has an account, but if you are a private school teacher, then you need to register yourself. 3 days training by master trainers on Microsoft Teams and 3 days training on LMS. Registration started from 25th June and 5th July is the last date. Training tentative date is 14th July. By this link, you can find the PDF file of the training manual. And finally, all children have a fair and equal opportunity to receive high quality education. I hope you will subscribe my channel, like it, also give comments and share it. Thank you very much.